train ourselves. Okay? So we have done the definition. Now, what's okay? Now, what we are trying to do is how to memorize these definitions. Who has a problem of memorizing things? Anybody? All have a problem. Do you remember things? Kimno? No? Okay? Right? You have a problem. Now I'll tell you how to do it. Nah? We have done it. Nah? Was it interesting? Yeah? We will do it. Why? Because it also depends upon your performance. The way you perform, people will follow. Agree? Isn't it? And I imagine you have a capacity to run only 1 mile. And you are telling people to run 10 miles. How it is possible? The leader is not there. Do you think they will finish 10 miles? No. Leader should be having the capacity to run 12 miles. Then only he or she can order people to run for 10 miles. And then be with the people, group. Are you getting? Suppose if you yourself doesn't have it, and how do you expect? Are you getting? Right? You don't tell people get up at 5 o'clock when you yourself are getting up at. And then punishing them and saying that you are useless and this and that, then it all depends upon. So, your thing is also, give me a small definition what we have already done it. Let's, yeah, which one is that? From army? Which one? No, John Maxwell is a Sunday school man. Let's talk about this army. The process of influencing people. The process of influencing people. Tell me what else?
By providing purpose.
By providing purpose. What is it? Direction. Motivation.
While
Huh? When? Why? Okay. Why?
operating to accomplish
Operating.
the mission.
Operating what?
Accomplish the mission.
There should be something.
To accomplish the mission.
While operating to
Accomplish the mission.
accomplish the mission. Is it?
To improve the organization.
Huh?
And improve the organization.
And
Improve the organization.
the organization. Coming from army. Competent, confident, and agile. Okay, right? Let's learn this one. Give me the name of the book. Let's say together. 1, 2, 3, start. Let's do it together. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. One more time. Okay? Huh? Let's go to the definition. Now repeat. Okay? And now as I point the finger, please say it here and then say it louder together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, Mango. Look at here. Right? 1, 2, 3, start.
The process of influencing people
Okay, one more time, one more time. Say, okay, right? Even though I am, erasing a word, but you have to say it. Okay? Right? You have to say it. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me see. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Very good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Very good. Let me try one more. Okay, last. Okay, say it together here. Let's do it together. Let's go slow. 1, 2, 3, start.
The process of influencing people by providing purpose,
Last page. Write it down. I'll give you only 1 minute. Write it down the definition. Come on. Who will do it first? Write down the name of the book also. Come on. Backside, backside. I trust you, but give me backside. Anywhere, but not just. Brother, about the definition is writing down.
It's okay, guys. What we remember, I think.
I know what you can remember. Okay. Rest. Write it down. If not the name of the book, write down the definition. You write, concentrate there. Why you are speaking? Just try to recollect what was there on the board. Okay. You just write it down the remaining. Okay. Share your. You finished? Finished? Who can? Finished? Finished writing the first definition? Okay. Share your this with your partner sitting next to you. And give 5 marks if it's 100% correct. Come on, give it. Give it to your partner. Yeah, standard. Not stand. That's STD. That's STD. Yeah, that's all. Little bigger. Okay, if it's 100% correct, give 5 marks. 1 mistake, cut half marks. 2 mistakes, another half. So give out of 5. Did you change it? Good. If it's 100% correct, give 5 marks. Good. Got it? Did you change it? Huh? Jung? Did you change it? Give to anybody. No problem. Huh? If there is 1 mistake, got half mark, 2 mistakes, another half. But give out of 5. No mercy. Don't say you are my friend, you give me chocolate if I give you 5 marks. Got it? Done? Give 5 marks. Give 5 marks. Did you give 5 marks? Who's this? Okay. Okay. Done. Did you give the marks? Ajit? Here? Change it. You can't send me. How you can give 4 marks? It's not complete. No mercy, okay? Don't just, you're my friend and still give. No, only wrote half a definition, still gave 4 marks. Okay, right. How many of you got 5 out of 5? Raise your hands. 5 out of 5. Just give me. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3 people got out of, right? 3 people. How many of you got 4? 4 and oh sorry, 4 and a half. 4 and a half. 4 and a half. You got 4 and a half. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many of you got 4? 1, 2, 3. How you can get 4, man? That's a half definition still. Who corrected it? I will hang you here. Half definition. Still give 4 marks. No.
Grace is sufficient.
Right. How many? 4. 1, 2, 3. How many of you got 3 and a half? No. 3. 2 and a half. How much you got? 4 and a half. You didn't write a single sentence. I saw you struggling. How much you got? Huh? You didn't write. Who corrected your paper? How much you gave? 1. Anybody? Who is the lowest? Only one is the lowest. Anybody got 0? Okay. Now, how many of you sitting here now? 17? 18? Now? Okay. Now, look at here. Now, out of 18, it is 3 students who are toppers. 100% they got it. Have you ever scored 100% in your school days? 100 out of 100, sometimes you got it math. And you still remember. You still remember that. Isn't it? Those who came second, they are only have half mark less. There are 4 people who got 4.5. There are 3 people who got 4. That means the person who is coming third also in the class still getting 90%. Amazing. Amazing, right? Isn't it? Right? We always hear that there is only one topper. Is there any problem if there are 3 toppers? Any problem too? No problem. Are you getting? So, when we can do for one definition and can score 3 people can score 100 out of 100. Don't you think that we can do it little more in the exams and still getting out of percent? Is it possible or not possible? Possible? Now you tell me, everybody were given the same definition? Agree, yes or no? Same teacher taught it? Same time given to memorize? Why then somebody did not score well and somebody scored 100 out of 100? Why?
Memory is different.
Memory is different, okay, number 1. Any other? Lack of interest? Concentration? What could be the reason? Manko, what could be the reason? Why same teacher, same syllabus, same time, but still somebody did not score? Why?
No hard work.
No hard work, carelessness, concentration.
No interest.
How many of you think that the people who did not score has a very poor memory? How many of you think? That I don't have a good memory, that's why I could not score 5 out of 5. How many of you think that it is a memory problem? Memory problem? You are thinking, okay?
The problem can be some are quick in learning, fast in memorizing, some are slow in
Okay? Some are slow, some are fast in memorizing things, and some are doing. So people, those who are slow, what they should be doing? Can we blame God? Why you did not give me good memory? That's your problem. Why did you create me like this? Can we blame God? Why not, man? Huh?
What is the purpose?
Yes, on purpose of creating. God has a purpose.
To give you a bad memory?
It's like, I'm not doing it, but like people.
I mean, is it the right question, theological question? Do you think God will do that? How many of you think that, it is a I'm getting into a theological discussion. Do you think God will do that? Possible? Some people, they are not born with a good memory, but I found that they remember other things which they wanted. Do you remember any affairs that was there in the first year? You remember the details? Where he was sitting and where she was sitting? You know? You even know the dress, color also. Pink, and he also pink, man. You remember, right? We remember the gossips? Do we remember or not? Or bad memory? Do we remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Why is it? Why is it that we remember gossips?
Interest, based on interest.
There comes the point. If God has not given a good memory, that means you are not remembering anything. But the point is, we remember something very well. Agree or disagree? Isn't it? You remember something. You remember the movie. You remember the scene. Am I right? Why? Do you think that God will give you the interest also? Huh? That let me give Venus good interest in movies so that he will remember even every detail. But as far as Bible is concerned, he will be zero. Do you think God will do that? I'm taking an example. Do you think God will do that? Come on. Reason? No, he will not do that. Are you getting? Scientifically, it is not the problem of memory. The problem is with the interest. I'll tell you. Huh?
What about those who are suffering with amnesia?
That is the extreme. Are you suffering with amnesia? Yeah, that is a disease. That can be cured. Are you getting? That can be cured. You are talking about, today I am okay, but tomorrow I may not be. So, the bottom line is, God created me as a sick person. Can you say that? No, go to the hospital and get it done. Are you getting? The thing is, we remember certain things very well. Why can't we remember this? Is not the problem of memory, it is all about interest. And I'll prove it. How? I'll tell you. How many of you were excited to read this on the first time? Everyone. Okay? When we were doing it second time, the voice was a little less. Third time, you got irritated. Fourth time, all the more irritated. Because you didn't know that I'll be taking a test. And then, what this Sunday school is unnecessarily telling us to repeat. But then those who were doing it sincerely, they remembered. Agree? And those who were saying, what is this, man? What we will do? And then slowly the interest was gone. But when the test came, do you think that somebody must have said it only once and then he remembered? No. There was a repetition. And what if you don't have a good memory? What you should have been doing when I was telling this? What a student should be doing? Tell me. Repeating. Isn't it? Concentrating. Focusing. Are you getting? Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Now let's do it again with a 100% concentration. Now how do you concentrate? A person who is having a full focus, how that person will sit? Full focus. Means what? Straight? Yes? Or like this? Most of us will sit. How many of you? And then some like this. Yeah. Our leadership. Right? And some, you go to library. You go to library and the funny gestures they will give. Especially girls. I don't observe girls, but this is what the thing is. They study like this. I think I hit the right target. Are you getting? Right? And then you complain, I don't have a good memory. Look at the way you're sitting, man. It is only a habit which we develop. Are you getting? Right? Why? These gestures are do you see some people, they sit like this and read. Technically, the moment you keep your head resting on your palm, what is happening? The mind has gone to a resting position. Look at that. Don't you think my mind is resting? Are you getting? And then you try to memorize things. How it will be memorized, brother? Because the gesture is on a resting position. and you sit for hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, not only single definition will be memorized. And then you say that we are not scoring. Some nuts will tell you God created me like that. Now do you think God created you like this? Okay? Agree? Right? Don't do that. Okay? So 100% concentration. Angam, you are with me? Yes. Let's concentrate. Don't sit like that. Chung. Tell him to tell him to sit straight. Yeah, see? Look at the position. Okay, you are with me?
Yes.
Let's try one more time. Tell yourself, listen carefully. No joke. Tell yourself, I want to score 5 out of 5. Tell yourself.
I want to score 5.
Come on. One time, tell yourself. In your mind, within yourself, tell yourself.
You do it?
I want to score 5 out of 5. Come on. 1.
I want to score 5.
Second.
I want to score 5.
Okay? Right? Let's try. Brother, you have not spoken also. Or you spoke in your mind, in your spirit? Good. Let's do it. Let's see whether 3 can be 4 or 5 or 6. Okay? Out of marks. How many? You are with me? You want to change your position? Want to sit here? Okay? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, start. Standard. The people of a person. What is this? No, that's wrong. What did you write?
The building of a person.
The? What is this?
The building
The
of
building of a
the building of
Okay.
It's normal limitation.
building of a person personality.
Person's personality. Oh, check your English.
It's normal limitation.
Beyond its what?
Normal.
Normal limitation?
It's normal. It's normal.
Okay. Kimno. Okay. Right? Let's do it together. Okay? Concentrate. Ranjit. Concentrate. Okay? You have to score 5 out of 5. Right? Come on. Louder. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay? Let's be a little louder. Louder. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start.
The building of a personality beyond its normal limits.
Okay? Right, good. Okay? I am removing 3 verbs. Lifting, raising, building. Okay? Right? Let's see. Louder, concentrate. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start. What is here? Offer. Okay. What was here? Lifting what? Person's vision. Okay? Lifting what? To. Okay? Now let's do it only this much. There was a comma here. Okay? Whenever you have a little bigger thing, divide it into parts. Did you hear me? Divide it into parts. Now, say only this much. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, start. Angam.
It is the lifting of a person to my higher side.
One more. One more time. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start.
It is the lifting of a person to my higher side.
Good. The what?
Rising of a person from earnest
To higher. To higher. Okay, come on. Only this. Come on. 1, 2, 3. One more time. You are not saying. Okay? Did you see? We are doing it in parts. Right? Can you say these two together?
Yes, sir.
Can we attempt? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, start. Very good, very good. Very good, Stephen. Good. Let's connect the third one. Only one left. Okay? The what? Person's what? One more time. 1, 2, 3, start. One more time. Right? Can we connect all three? Close your eyes and try to recollect. Okay? Close your eyes, everybody. 1, 2, 3, start. Let's do it together. I am challenging you. Score 5 out of 5. Take a paper. Do it. 1, 2, 3, start. Come on, come on. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. You lose your concentration. Don't laugh. Right? Part by part. Part by part. First part, second part, third part. Easy. Remember what was there in the first part? Slowly go, no problem. First part, second part, third part. That's all. Don't try to miss any word. Shh. Others are writing. Don't be in a hurry. Read it again whether you missed anything. Questions what? Finished? If you finished, just give it to your partner. If you did, take your time. Take your time. Try to recollect. Bring back to your mind what was there in the whiteboard. Wait. Let him check. You want to check it? Check it. No problem. No mercy, okay? No mercy. If they missed one word, cut half marks. Okay? Right. Okay, change. Give it to your partner. Check.
Now it's too serious now, sir.
Beyond it's normal. Normal beyond. Yes. Give the phone.
One more time, sir.
Yeah. Don't tell me through phone. Okay. Correct it? Okay? Correct it? Now, how many of you got 5 out of 5? Raise your hand. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Angam also. My, I'll give you one Coke, man. Let me finish the statement. One Coke through WhatsApp. No. I'll give you. Right. Raise your hand. 5 out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Wow. 10 people. Last time we were only 3.
2 liters Coke.
How many of you got 4.5? How come you can get 4.5? Kisne diya? Who corrected it? Who's correcting, man? Angam, huh? Kya? You bribed him or what? Look at the definition. You know, it's all ulta pulta, brother. Huh? No, you should not be getting 4.5. Anybody 4.5? 1, 2. Okay? I think Kim knows just one word here and there. What's the mistake?
I put bill instead of building.
Oh, he's very strict, man. Yeah, we can, no, but the sense is good. So 2 people are getting 98%. Can you imagine that? Anybody? 4? Good. Well, last time how much you got? 4.5 last time we got. 4. Okay. Who were the people who got 5 out of 5 this time and you did not get last time? Who are the people? Mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, you got 5. Okay. Then last time who got 3 people? Chung. Who else? Last time who got 5 out of 5? Okay, last time. This time you missed 1. Okay, right, half an mark. Can you see that? Why did you score? Why so many people score 5 out of 5? Tell me.
Salvation.
Who said salvation? He should be stoned, man. Stephen, yes. We will literally do that. Why? You tell me. Come on. You tell me.
I think.
Brother, what's your name? Lulun. Why did you score 5 out of 5 this time?
I concentrate more.
Any other?
Sir, as for my experience, it is not all about only about the concentration, but the pattern, how the pattern of the sentence.
Okay.
It is lifting the person vision. The first is vision. There is lifting the higher side, and the second is the standard. It is rising the higher.
So the pattern was good. I changed little bit, isn't it? I changed the pattern little bit. Are you?
Now, when we read according to
Preparation. Everybody was prepared now.
Everybody was prepared. Why? Why they were prepared? To score 5 out of 5. Look at that. The goal was set. Isn't it? And your performance standard was high. I want to see you scoring 5 out of 5, and you accepted that challenge. Isn't it? I think that's what you mean, isn't it? Right? Any other reason? Why did you score? Why 8 people came to the first position? Why? We said performance, concentration, what else? The pattern, what else? What could be the reason? You also scored 5 out of 5, right? Last time you didn't score. Why? Why you could score out of marks? Preparation. You were prepared. Okay? See, earlier we were thinking that it was a memory problem. Suddenly, how come the miracle took place, man? Are you with me? Do you think it was a miracle? No, it was not a miracle. It was the concentration. Are you getting? So don't ever tell your mind that you have a bad memory. Don't ever tell. You can do it. Are you getting? Right? You can do it. Angam also got, right?